What's up guys, it's me, Lego Titus here, and today I'll be doing an unboxing video on this Nova I just got today at Target, and it's a good figure, love it, and it could be like one of my best reviews. Over here we have his Nova on this side. Oh man, how come this paper can't stand? Try to get some good lighting and focus on this thing, and it just keeps falling. Over here we have Nova at his posing shape, and there's and this thing has rope put on this figure. You can pause right there. Case. And over here are the builder figures. Like there's Titus, Drax, Yondu, Van Astro, Angela, Darkhawk, Nova, and Star-Lord. So yeah, we're about to unbox this. Oh, and there's this Nova, and there's Nova again. And now we're gonna unbox this. I'll be using this thumbtack, like Mikey's action figures and Esos and the Esos hunters. Shout out to you guys. You guys, you know, using a thumbtack as a knife inspires me, and I wish I could use my own knife. As you can see, I'll get it out right now. I'm about to use this big boy. You see this? And this is what happens if you hate me. This should happen. Okay? Alright, now let's unbox this thing. Oh, wait a minute. Sorry. Hang on. There we go. Now we're gonna unbox it. Okay, so here it is. We're about to get that little thing out there. I think I'll take this. Yeah. Got this little Nova squid. I don't know what it's called, but if you know what it is, leave a comment down below if you know. And move this. And over here is the builder figure. Over here we have is the builder figure, which is the torso, which is the 6th piece. And we're about to get the Nova figure out. So yeah, we got Nova out, and I'll see you when I get him in posing shape. Alright guys, now we have Nova in posing shape. Now it's time for the review. So for the accessories, he comes with this Nova squid thing. I don't know what it is. And over here we have is the Titus torso. And I'll actually attach this arm onto him. Finally got it in. So like there's like 2 pieces down and 1, 2, 3, 4 to go. So all I need is Darkhawk, Yondu, Van Astro, and Angela. I think I said Angela, and my camera almost fell. So yeah, that's it. So that's whatever. Anyway, on to this figure. So it's cool, and I think he has. And I think his sculpt came from this Ultimate Peter Parker Spider-Man that we got here. Got it from Frankenstein's, and you may be wondering, what kind of Marvel Legends stand is this? Well, first shout out to the Esos hunters, Sal and Braulio. They inspired me with they inspired me to make this Marvel Legends stand. And if you don't know who the Esos hunters are, they're two friends who are toy hunters and they collect Marvel Legends. The reason why I was inspired by this because of Mikey's action figures. Shout out to you, bro. And if you don't know who Mikey's action figures is, he comments like some of my videos, so check him out. So yeah, let's get into this Nova and let's like do a comparison on him. So get him down here for a little bit. There we go. So there's Kid Nova down there, like that. Now I'm gonna do a little comparison, like on this Peter Parker Ultimate Spider-Man, and they're like standing at the same height as him. And over here, I'm gonna do a little comparison on the figures from the wave. So like here is Drax, and here is Star-Lord, best figure, and Drax 2. So yeah, his head, like his helmet, super cool, and I love his detailing. He kind of looks like the one from this TV show from the Ultimate Spider-Man. If you guys know what it is, please like this video. So yeah, love how Hasbro did some good paintings on him. He reminds me of the TV show. And as you guys may know, some toys may remind you of good memories of good times. So over here he can ab crunch all the way down and look all the way down and go away to the back, and his arm can like ab, muscle thing, and he's like do this and like knee crunch kick action, and it does have ankle pivot. So yeah, I think that's about it. Thank you guys for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace out.